Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 9 to the power x is equal to 36, or this 9 we can write 3 square, this is 9 and whole to the power this x is equal to right side is 36, or according to this exponential formula a to the power b whole to the power c is equal to a to the power b times c. So applying this, we can write 3 to the power this 2 times this x, that is twice x, is equal to right side 36. Or now taking log to the both side, we will get log of this 3 to the power 2x is equal to right side will be log of 36. Or now applying logarithm formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. By this formula, we will get this twice x times this log of 3. Log of 3 is equal to this log of 36 is 3 square is 9 times 2 square. This 4 times 9 is 36. Or left side twice x times log of 3 is equal to applying formula log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So applying this, we can write log of this 3 square plus log of 2 square. Log of 2 square. Or left side twice x times log of 3 is equal to, by formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a, we will get 2 times this log of 3 plus similarly this will be this 2 times this log of 2. Now divided both side by 2 times log of 3. Then left side will be twice x log of 3 divided by 2 log of 3 is equal to this term 2 log of 3 divided by log of 3 and this 2 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by 2 times log of 3. You have divided both side by this 2 times log of 3. Or here this 2 and this 2 will cancel and log 3 and log 3 will cancel and it will be x. So left side this will be x is equal to, now this 2 and this 2, this log 3 and log 3 will cancel, so it will be 1 plus this 2 and this 2 cancel and log 2 divided by log of 3. So the value of x, this will be this 1 plus log of 2 divided by log of 3. We can write this as log of this 3 base of this 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.